Welcome to Business Central Tips and Tricks video series. This is Kim Joshua Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. In Business Central, you have the flexibility to delete a GL account even if transactions have occurred on it, as long as the account has no balance and the transactions are not from an open income year. To maintain control over these deletions, we recommend adjusting some settings to add restrictions. Let's walk through the process. I'll search for General Ledger Setup and navigate to the page. Here, we'll find three key fields that manage GL account deletion rules. First, with the Check GL Account Usage setting, you can prevent any attempts to delete a GL account that is being used in setup tables, such as if it's specified in a posting setup. The next two settings work together to further define your deletion rules. If your business has regulatory requirements for data retention, you can use the Check GL Account Deletion After field. For example, if you need to store data for 5 years and your fiscal year follows the calendar year, you would set the date to prevent deletions before that period. If your current fiscal year is 2024, and you need to retain data from 2019 through 2023, you would set the Check GL Account Deletion After date to December 31st, 2018. This way, only accounts with transactions before that date can be deleted. When you attempt to delete an account with transactions from 2019 through 2023, the system will prompt you to confirm the deletion, giving you a chance to review. If you want to block deletion altogether, the third setting, Block Deletion of GL Account, will ensure that no deletions can occur after the specified date. As each income year closes, like in 2024, and you want to maintain 5 years of history, simply adjust the date forward by 1 year. This is an easy way to manage GL account deletions and stay compliant with your data retention needs.